Hi there, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Coslug.com. I'm on the homepage, and I really like that you are consistent with your website colors, that everything matches the logo, that you are showing. I'll just close that and that you are showing the products in a hero image, and obviously that you describe what makes you unique, what you're offering with call to action link into your collections, which is absolutely perfect. Okay, it features original art. I would also a little bit describe what does mean zero waste wall art, because this is your tagline, so you should really describe what it means zero waste. Is it because there is no trash, there is no rubbish, you don't waste any paint, you don't throw out brushes. So make sure to specify what does it exactly entail, because people will be interested in that. I will check your collection page and products page. Okay, I seem to be taken to a different page, although this is subdomain. However, this looks different than your website. So I'm not sure why I am being taken here. I definitely want to go back to the website. And if you are linking to an external page, make sure to open this in a new tab, because it can be considered as a sneaky redirect, which can trigger Google penalties. So make sure to not send your traffic via those kind of sneaky redirects to another website, because that can not only affect your SEO but also your trust. So okay, let's go back and have a look at your products then. Okay, so different artists, you're selling art by different artists. Okay, so let's have a look at the products. Fairy in black. Okay, beautiful, beautiful paintings, beautiful art. Okay, the price are really attractive. I understand that you are based in the UK. However, your URL is .com. So if you're based in UK, it will make sense to have coslug.co.uk, unless you are targeting worldwide customers. However, it still will make sense to have .co.uk URL, because people will want to know that they are buying from UK-based website, that it will be shipped from the UK and so on. So it will make sense to be straightforward with that. When it comes to titles, the product titles, remember to make them more descriptive, more SEO friendly. The end doesn't really tell Google what this is. Perhaps the end, the painting, the acrylic painting, the oil painting is much more specific, much more SEO friendly, and it will help you get ranked in more relevant search results. Also, your Google snippets are not optimized, so make sure to optimize Google snippet, meta title, and meta description. However, the product page looks great. Add to cart above default. You can add a little bit more to the description, because you can really tell a story about how this item will enrich the space. So you can describe it. It's much stronger way than just listing facts when you're selling this kind of emotion-based products, because obviously this is something that people will buy if they really really feel the connection. So you have to do the work with the product descriptions. I have quite a lot of content on my website telling how to use storytelling to sell more. So this is the technique that definitely will be suitable for your niche. You have to tell the story with the paintings to really convince people to buy more from you. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.